You probably got a video because Riley's going to want to see that in the country.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Are you guys going to give it to them, or why are you breaking it? They can just chew it. They can just chew it up. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Jeez. Good Lord.
I mean, I almost missed it on video. He ate it so fast.
Inhaled that.
Oh, here's Luke.
That's Lucy's.
Look out, Jack. Oscar, look out.
Is that their Christmas present? Yeah.
Luke, take the tree.
What's he eating?
Yeah, Jack gave him a piece of it.
Oh.
Yeah.
That, yes. Okay, that list is completely gone. Yes. Did you see? He just ran into it. Into his face.
You better hurry up, Luke, because Bentley's going to eat yours.
Cool, thanks. Next.
Okay, open up that present from us. Okay, hold on. Reed and Brady are busy right now. Brady's a little on the slow side. Wow, you dropped some, Reed.
Oh. Okay.
Just a minute.
Oh yeah, Mom made that for you.